Good evening. Good evening, dear friends. This is Archana saying hello to you. Please join my live fast. Another half an hour live. I am with you for 30 minutes. जल्दी से join करिए. Link को press करके join करिए. We are passing on the link. Can't see anybody till then. Let me introduce. I've already told you I'm Archana. I'm based out of Gurugram. This is my own handlooms brand. We handhold a lot of artisans and promote anything that's done with hand. You know, all handloom, hand done arts and fabrics are promoted. And my brand name is Maitri D. हमें join करिए. Joining number पीछे दिया है. जिसको भी हमारा broadcast join करना है, please tell your friends, your family, like-minded women to send. You know, save this number in WhatsApp and send a message, and we will join, help you join. Hi Pragya, hi Karuna ji, nice to see somebody at least. Tell me my audio video clear. This is a common number, इसी पे bookings होंगी, and this is the payment number. आप एक clear screenshot भेजिएगा, preferably number and screenshot, but you always send the screenshot. That's good for us, और वो booking हो जाएगी. Hi Sharman ji, how are you? Hi Aishwarya, so nice to see you joining my live. Aishwarya is a very busy person, so she gets to see the recorded lives. It's very seldom that you see her here. Hi Simi ji, how are you? So आपने जान लिया होगा what am I going to showcase again? My love for Jamdani, and I should say our love for Jamdani, because जितना मैं लेके आती हूँ मुझे उससे ज़्यादा डिमांड आ जाती है. Hi, I said Aishwarya. Hello to you. Hi, Lata ji. Hi, Sheetal ma'am. How are you? So this is a common love, and today I'm not going to introduce the fabric because we all know linen too well. That's how we are all in love with it. It's so organic. और जब इसके ऊपर जामदानी की weaving हो जाती है, so you know what more can we ask for? It becomes so much us, so Indian, so organic, and so full of art. You can see I've just adorned the dupatta on my plain modal suit. आप देखिए मैंने इस दुपट्टे को केवल ओढ़ा है अपने plain modal suit के साथ, तो भी कितना gorgeous लग रहा है. So it's not only the linen fabric which is so trending. Jamdani की weaving देखिए. Today again I have zari suits, and look at the zari, and it is not any kind of a block or printing. Hi Neelam ma'am. Hi Jyoti ji. Hi Tani. Hi Dr. Deepti. This is all hand woven. ये हाथ से बुने जाते हैं, मतलब वीव किए जाते हैं लूम्स पर. एंड लुक एट द जरी पैटर्न्स. एक डिजाइन को मैं अच्छे से दिखा दूंगी, देन इट इज जस्ट कलर्स. दिस इज गोल्डन एंड सिल्वर, ऑल वेरी मैट फिनिश. कुछ ऐसा नहीं है. एंड the factor which makes them gorgeous is this zari ka pura border and these lovely double color tassels. I am in love with this. These dupattas are gorgeous. पूरे सूट पे ऐसी weaving होती है, बिल्कुल मैट golden and silver booties hai. Look at the rhomboid booties. They are very, very beautiful. You can easily adorn them at your workplaces and even for summer formal evenings, etc. So this is what I'm going to showcase. Let me start quickly now. Many suits. आप इस दुपट्टे को एक बार देख लीजिए. मैंने इसको अपने प्लेन सूट के साथ पहन के दिखा दिया है. It's looking so gorgeous and I don't feel like taking it off. Hi Mukta, thank you very much. Yeah, please learn something from Mukta. मेरे को एक लाइक तो कर दीजिए, शेयर कर दीजिए अपने किसी भी like-minded group पे, family, friends, work related. मुझे एक शेयर कर दीजिए इस लाइव को. You know, I'd be so grateful to you. Yes, these necklaces, these awning necklaces have also been restocked. Last time, I think on Saturday, I showcased some neck pieces and they all got sold out. These have also come. I'll be showcasing them perhaps the next time. Hi Poonam ji, hi Dhanya ji. Some name. Hi Sean, hi Disha. So this is the first suit and all the suits will be priced at 3950 shipping extra. You know that. These are heavy, you know, linen is heavy material and this is our shipping pan India. Let me tell you, there are places where we have to pay shipping of in the tune of 200 and above. So you must understand that, which you do. तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं. फर्स्ट ये वाला पैटर्न आएगा. मैंने इसका दुपट्टा लिया है. प्लीज टेक अ क्लिक. आई जस्ट शो यू द शर्ट ऑल्सो. लुक एट दिस ब्यूटिफुल शर्ट का पैटर्न. इतना सारा वीविंग, गोल्डन एंड silver, all matte finish hai. Complete suit with two-tone booties and this zari border is running all over. This you have to design artistically. इसमें अच्छे से आप लाइनिंग लगवाइए, प्रेफरेबली कॉटन की. इसके रियर साइड बैक साइड में कुछ भी वीविंग नहीं आती. एंड इफ यू आस्क मी, आप स्लीव्स में भी लाइनिंग लगवाइए, बिकॉज लिनन का क्या होता है, इट्स अ वोवन फैब्रिक. सो जहां से वो स्टिचिंग होती है, इट स्टार्ट्स टू गेट लिटिल लूज. So please get lining put for sleeves also, preferably. Rest choice is yours. This is the first color. It's sort of bottle green बोलिए या olive green बोलिए. Very very beautiful color. 3950 and 100 rupees shipping. Let me take this beautiful dupatta off. I don't feel like doing it. And the next one in the same pattern. I'll just show you the colors now. This is a beautiful, very elegant, very feminine. You must have one dark and one light in your collection. This is baby pink with complete silver zari. I hope you can see. इसमें zari element नजर आ रहा है. This is zari linen. I mean the tissue linen, what we call. And this tissue part is very soft. Kindly don't think कि हमको चुभेगा, कुछ होगा. These are very very softly woven. ये tissue linen का piece है. Just the pattern is same. Look at the gorgeous pattern. And this zari border is in silver and baby pink, you know that. और इसमें 3 colors के weaving है. You can see this rani pink, golden and silver. COD is available. 100 rupees extra, ma'am. You know that our delivery partners charge. Beautiful, gorgeous dupatta, double colored tassels. ये देखिए silver है ये. It's very beautiful. पूरा में silver tissue है. I don't know कैमरा पे कैसे दिख रहा है. This is pink with silver. It is gorgeousness heightened. बहुत ही beautiful piece, not to be missed at all. And my prices, firstly, I'm a GST concern. Secondly, my prices are still by far the least. Today only I was watching another live, और उसपे similar suits were in the tune of 600 rupees more. Gorgeous maroon rust with golden tissue weaving. Just see rhomboid booties, rhombus की shape में देखिए. Silver, rani color and golden. इतना खूबसूरत. आप इस पैटर्न को नीचे लीजिए या इसको नेक पे सेट कराइए, because some people were last time saying कि मैम ये नीचे में भी, मतलब जो शॉर्ट का नीचे का दामन एरिया बोलते हैं, उस पे भी बहुत स्मार्ट लगेगा. Otherwise, this is the design. Look at the double colored tassel. Look at the broad weaving. कितनी weaving है. Some hearts and love for my weavers. Some hearts and love for my weavers, please. I was telling my weavers yesterday कि तुम्हारी collection इतना hit हो रही है. They really felt so happy. Therefore, then these things are so much. And I'm telling you, every time I think I become repetitive. मैं सच में उनको next day बताती हूँ कि what was the response. They feel. So you have to see that level of satisfaction and happiness. They really feel so happy, and then next time something new comes up. So this is piece number 3, maroon color, very very beautiful. Another light color coming your way, बहुत ही beautiful sunflower yellow. ये जो कैमरा पे नजर आ रहा है उससे 10 times beautiful piece है, because I can see it from here. इसमें golden and silver booties हैं that you can see, और silver की पूरी weaving है. This tissue is linen tissue is silver and yellow color. बहुत gorgeous piece है ये. I think अभी तक का सबसे खूबसूरत piece ये लग रहा है जो मैं पास से देख पा रही हूँ. जो इसकी this zari border, ये समझ में नहीं आ रहा. It's muted gold. It's very very muted gold. It is neither silver not gold. बहुत beautiful piece है. As I told you, इसके rear side में weaving नहीं होती, and ये ही weaving बहुत ample है. Look at the dupatta, same patterns. We are just running the colors. Thank you very much. Itishri writing, if you have copper sulfate color, a lot of colors will come. Have your patience. I think copper sulfate color will come. She looks to be somebody from chemistry. Lovely. You will have a copper sulfate color today. Okay, look at this. So beautiful. So beautiful piece. This is piece number 4. Coming your way is another beautiful, what do I say, Fanta orange again. My favorite color, Fanta. You will see how It will make the difference to complexion. बहुत ही gorgeous इसको पहन के तो you can enter a really formal like a bridal kind of a function also and feel confident. अभी भी जो ये suits हैं, they will make people turn heads because still they are not available in showrooms. You can still call them your bespoke collection. बहुत खूबसूरत and जो detailing है, your tassels and everything that makes them so unique. It's like your own class of elegance. You create your elegance. बहुत beautiful. That is what I'm saying. You can easily add one bright and one light color. Light colors for perhaps for day functions and bright colors for whenever you want. I don't feel like taking this piece off. So this is piece number 5. Coming your way, another bright and most lovable color of all of us, purple. जब पर्पल के साथ गोल्डन वीविंग हो तो उसका कितना सुंदर इफेक्ट आता है. We'll give you a close up the golden, silver and rani pink booties and look at these weaving. Look at the details. छोटा सा बीच में पिंक कलर का detailing part है. Look at this. Very beautiful zari. This is copperish. It's like very very delectable. देखिए कितना सुंदर है. गोल्डन आपको नजर आ रहा होगा. इसमें बहुत खूबसूरत पीस है ये. I don't know, ये चीजें अभी भी handlooms. I still feel the fashion industry which is coming from West is so overrated. कितना expensive है हमारे branded stores में. If you go, हमारा अभी भी कितना royal art है. I mean, what do you compare this with? कितना beautiful, right? Use your creativity in stitching part. Give them a nice look. Like pair this with a nice rani color bottom. It will give you very different kind of a look. It will become more radiant and more classier. Next color in this is 7th number. Again, everybody's universal choice. Our black color. How can you forget this color? You can't have a wardrobe which is not replete with black. And you know that black color is supposed to be camouflaging what you don't want to show, like your weight, etc. It will make you look slimmer, smarter, taller. बहुत smart piece. इतना अच्छी इसके ऊपर weaving निकल के आ रही है. This is tissue, but this is linen by linen, by the way. This is not tissue. This is a linen by linen piece. जो first था bottle green, that was also the one I was adorning. That was also linen by linen. Rest all were tissue linen. Price is just the same. Many people, many ladies prefer only linen by linen. ये आपका personal choice and personal love है. Some of us prefer the complete organic touch of linen by linen, and some of us prefer that little, very muted shimmer which comes with the tissue weaving, tissue with linen. So we are done with the first design. Let's start with design number 2. I think I have only 2 pieces in the next design. It's a new design. We'll bring more pieces, don't worry. ये देखिए बहुत beautiful sky blue color with silver tissue. I don't have any multiples today, so please be the fastest finger if you like a color, if you were wanting it for a long time. आज कोई भी multiples नहीं है. Last time मेरे पास कुछ multiples थे, so I could still do justice. ये silver weaving है. Please see this. And इसमें पूरी सिल्वर वीविंग है. The shirt comes like this. इसमें पूरी में बूटीज हैं. इतने छोटे छोटे. ये देखिए very very elegant. कहीं पे बड़ा कुछ वीविंग का काम नहीं है. बैक साइड पे कोई बूटी नहीं है. Look at the dupatta. That comes with a little twist, little different dupatta. It's like this. Tassels के साथ इतना broad silver tissue. It's very elegant. It's for people who believe in their minimal statement, minimal elegant statement. आप देख ही सकते हैं कैमरा पे भी. Piece number 8, you can see for yourself कितना gorgeous लग रहा है, isn't it? Piece number 8, it's very different. I hope this silver thing is seen. Again, there are certain collections which the camera is not able to highlight. आज के जो सूट है वो यहाँ पर जो लग रहे हैं बहुत beautiful लग रहे हैं. I think much better than camera because I can see camera as well. The second piece in this is this beautiful maroon with again golden zari, and the quality of linen, ladies, is very nice. इसमें भी जो weaving है, this is golden, silver and rani pink, and the twist comes with the dupatta, gorgeous golden, पूरा टिश्यू का border है both sides, and पूरे में छोटे छोटे rhomboid. This is a class of its own. So you create your own class and your own elegance by adorning this piece. बहुत beautiful. I don't have words. बहुत बहुत सुंदर है ना, new design, right? So these were only 2 pieces. We come to third design which I've been bringing. It's a universal appeal again. ये वाले सूट कभी नहीं रुकते. Let's see आज उसको कौन grab करेगा. These tissue linen suits and with पूरा weaving. इसमें देखिए copper color की weaving है. Look at these small booties. They are with copper weaving. और जो इसमें lilac color में जो tissue है, that is also copper. And the color for this is the number for this is 10. This is suit number 10. और इसका जो shirt होता है, you know that इसमें यहाँ पे weaving आती है. All this is weaving, my dear friends. सब hand woven pieces हैं, completely handloom और इतने beautiful, right? इसके साथ दुपट्टा. ये वाले मैं जितने लेके आती हूँ उतनी ज्यादा डिमांड आती है नेक्स्ट टाइम, मैम ये वाले पीसेस और चाहिए. So this is the dupatta, very very beautiful. Look at this, look at the tassels, such an elegant piece. Piece number 10. मेरे पास इतने सारे सूट्स हैं, I don't know how will I show. Look at this, बहुत beautiful. Do not miss. आज कोई डबल नहीं है. Last time when I brought this color, I had 3 pieces. ये सबसे ज्यादा जाता है. I don't know why. It looks very elegant. I think on camera also it's looking very beautiful. The next one is black, but it does not look black because of the golden weaving. देखिए कितना gorgeous दिखता है. ये पूरा golden दिखता है. ऐसा लगता है टिश्यू का सूट है. Actually it's black. ये स्क्रीन पे थोड़ा ज्यादा गोल्डन नजर आ रहा है, एंड अदरवाइज इतना गोल्डन नहीं है. बेटा ये शर्ट है, ये दुपट्टा है. Some of the shirts also have tassels. So in that case, tassels will be on one side. Like this is the shirt material. Have a look at the booties, the woven golden booties from a closer look. बहुत beautiful. This is the weaving. इसमें शर्ट में भी tassels हैं. देखिए प्राइस वही रहेगा 3950, 100 rupees shipping. No duplicate pieces today. I'm sorry. Just see this. Let me give you a look like this. Very very beautiful. Red tassels are making this, absolutely a head turner piece. बहुत beautiful. Next color. Next is beautiful. Another something closer to copper sulfate, isn't it? Somebody was looking for it closer. It is not exactly copper sulfate क्योंकि इसमें golden weaving आ जाती है. So ये camouflage हो जाएगा, पर बहुत सारे glues हैं आज. So please wait. With a nice red selvage, and this is the weaving on shirt. You know that, and the dupatta, gorgeous dupatta. You see बहुत अलग colors आए हैं इस बार. And the tassels are twin color. Hope you are sending your bookings. Please pay only when we tell you, when we confirm. This is the payment number. All UPI payment modes acceptable. And kindly don't let us wait. That's another thing. Some ladies put us on hold that we will pay, and then maybe there's a change of mind. Though they are very few and far, but होता है ऐसे भी. Next one. देखिए ये वाला एक पीस बहुत ब्यूटीफुल. इसमें ये पूरा पर्पल है, पूरा ही पर्पल है. जस्ट देखिए, सी दिस. इसमें ये पूरे में पर्पल में ही आ रही है वीविंग. ये बहुत ब्यूटीफुल, बहुत डिफरेंट पीस है. इसके ऊपर वो ब्लैक बैंड नहीं है. एंड दिस इज हाउ द दुपट्टा गोज. इसको कौन सा ब्लू बोलेगी आप? दिस इज अ पर्पल गोल्डन विद दिस. Gorgeous colors today, I'm telling you. Beautiful colors. Each color, will make you look different and shine in your own space. बहुत खूबसूरत pieces हैं. Hi, thank you Dimple ji. Hi Khyati ji. Hi. I can't read और मैं जस्टिस कर ही नहीं पाती हूँ. इतने सारे pieces लेके आ जाती हूँ और उसको half an hour में showcase करना होता है. Now the third design or the fourth design. Piece number 14. Check out the design. उसके बाद हम जल्दी जल्दी कर सकते हैं. The color which I'm wearing, very beautiful. This is linen by linen. देखिए weaving pattern और इस weaving में ये देखिए थोड़ा सा कॉपर का हिंट है. वेरी एलिगेंट पीस. सेम प्राइसिंग. वीविंग की आप पूरा एक्सटेंड देखिए. हाउ मच ऑफ वीविंग. इसमें जो ये सेंटर का पीस है, दिस इज लिटिल कॉपरिश. बहुत बहुत मैट वीविंग है. बहुत स्मार्ट. हैव अ क्लोजर लुक. हाय हरमिंदर जी. हाय माधवी जी. हाय माला जी. वेरी ब्यूटीफुल. ये कलर ही मुझे बहुत ब्यूटीफुल लगता है. इसको आप फॉरेस्ट ग्रीन बोलेंगे, बॉटल ग्रीन बोलेंगे. पीस नंबर I told you 14. I'll have to go a little fast, ladies. Look at this. Look at these two copper bands. My God. बहुत सुंदर. बूटी का साइज देखिए. Linen by linen, very beautiful. There are certain ladies who have 6 pieces of, 6 they've already bought and they want to add more. So such is the love for linen. Very beautiful piece. Even I have fallen in love with linen this season. बहुत beautiful suits थे ये. Next is rustish kind of copper brown होता है ना, ये वो कलर है. बिल्कुल मैंने कभी नहीं देखा. And I'm not fibbing. मैं झूठ नहीं बोल रही. मैंने कभी ये कलर नहीं देखा क्योंकि इसके ताना बाना में एक ब्लैक है, एक में ब्राउन है. तो ये जो बन के आ रहा है, ये कॉपर कलर बन के आ रहा है. सबका प्राइस सेम है मैम. 3950. 3000. We'll wait for 2 minutes, ladies, or I'll have to finish the live. You'll have to bear with me. Usually the power backup comes. You can write something if you are still there. Keep writing. Sonia Kaur ji and Anupama ji. I still have 8 minutes because we have the power backup in our area, but it takes 2-3 minutes for power backup to play up. Somebody writes something, there's this absolute silence around. If you're still there, if my Wi-Fi is playing, I'm not really sure. What do we do? I'll wait for another minute or I'll end the show. I think I'll finish. It'll take. If you're hearing me, thank you, ladies. Thank you for your patience. We will continue next time. Let me say bye to you because you can't see there are 7 minutes still. I'm just hoping that the power backup plays up. Hi, Radha ma'am. I was showcasing the linen suits, linen by linen, Jamdani. Archana, all the pieces are awesome. Thank you so much. I don't know, I'm reading the current comments or these are the comments which you wrote earlier. I really have no idea. Oh, thank God. The light is... I'm starting to charge. Oh, wow. The electricity is played up. I hope you're all with me. There are 6 minutes still left. I am carrying on. So this is the beautiful brown color. As I said, this is copper brown. अब मैं क्या करूँगी? आपको दुपट्टा ऐसे शो करके कर दूँगी. It's a beautiful, beautiful dupatta. Lovely weaving. Let me open a bit of it. Just see, बहुत gorgeous dupatta. And look at with these, tassels. It is so beautiful. 3950 and 100 rupees shipping. Thank you, ladies, for being with me. Next color also very beautiful. स्लेट ग्रे कलर और पिजन ब्लू, जो भी आप इसको बोले, बहुत ही खूबसूरत कलर है. हमारे यहाँ पे ना पावर बैकअप होता है, but still for some time I think I don't even know how many of you are still there. Look at this. Look at the dupatta. with this bright pink selvage and the bright pink tassels. These are like, you know, इसको मैं खोल के दिखाऊंगी because I'm liking it so much. I want to open this piece like this much. It's a very, very beautiful piece. Linen by linen. These are all linen by linen pieces. You can see the shine and sheen. Next color is beautiful. ये पता नहीं इस कलर को क्या बोले, ये डीप ब्राउन है बट इसके अंदर देयर इज अ हिंट ऑफ पर्पल. कैन यू सी दैट हिंट? Can you see that hint of purple? I have 5 minutes and I have only 3 more suits. Don't worry. All with copper weaving. देखिए इसमें जैसे होता है ना वो टस्सर की weaving वैसी है. These are finished in copperish tissue kind of a zari kind of weave. And look at the dupatta. I have time. So beautiful. So very beautiful. I'm so thankful, ladies. The gesture of being with me, you know, is such a huge one. Thank you so much. I was about to end the show, but then I thought, let me wait for 1 more minute. बहुत ही प्यारा पीस है. इसका कलर है, इसका कोड है 17. I have just 2 more pieces to showcase and I'll be done. Next one also very happy color, very, very happy color. देखिए sky blue with pink weaving. इसकी जो वीविंग है इसमें बिल्कुल मैट काइंड ऑफ गोल्ड का ये हिंट है. बहुत सुंदर, बहुत ही प्यारा. Be Indian, adorn Indian and feel good in, you know, our fashion statements. We wear so much of color and with such elegance. बाकी जो western fashion है, if you see, they're all monochromatic और बहुत repetitive. Not that we don't enjoy, but इसके जैसा तो हो नहीं सकता कुछ. Just see this. It's all gold, very muted, very, very muted gold with Rani pink. Look at these tassels. Look at these fringes also. All these are the added details which will make these pieces look so adorable. Piece number 16. Beautiful, beautiful. Piece number 16. Not 16. This is 18. Piece number 18 because I have 19 pieces in total. And the last piece, another ink blue color. बहुत beautiful ink blue color. इसकी weaving check करिए. Just check. Hint of copper zari and all in white. बहुत खूबसूरत. आज के suits are not to be missed. Look at this. दामन area पे पूरे में weaving है. Very, very beautiful. And help me, you know, join more ladies, you know, in say a word in your workplace, in your relatives, friends group. Share my life. बहुत beautiful. So this is the last piece, and with that, I have shown you today total 19 suits. सभी का price same था. Last piece है ये 19. सभी का price same था. 39.50, 100 rupees shipping, pan India. All online payment modes acceptable on that. Bye to you. Bye, dear ladies. Thank you so very much. Bye bye.